I don't know, it's like some type of top secret product. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have been on a hunt for these lashes and I finally found them, so here I am. But anyway, today we're going to be talking about eyelashes that are trending in Korea. I've been watching too much TV, but you'll find that Korean celebrities, mostly K-pop idols or singers, will rock these lashes, which I'm currently wearing right now. And this is how it looks like. It definitely can look a lot better if a professional does it, but this is as good as it gets for me. These lashes have this sparsy look to it, and it kind of just makes your eyes bigger while giving it still a natural look, which Korean people tend to go for. I don't know why, but these lashes are really difficult to find because for some reason makeup artists would not reveal what the brand is or where you could find it. I even went to the celebrities makeup artists' YouTube channel where they recreate the look, and in the description box they don't list any of that information for the eyelashes, so I kind of just had to like find it on my own. I don't know, it's like some type of top secret product. I actually found these lashes from AliExpress. They are from Japan and it was about $2, I think. It comes with this invisible band, and the trick to these lashes, you kind of want to find lashes that are V-shaped, where they kind of spur out into a V shape. So I got these and I was going to do this video, but it turns out that it was sold out on AliExpress and I couldn't find it anywhere else. I tried to order a second one, but they sent me a different style, so it's just totally gone. And so that kind of defeated my purpose of doing this video if it's sold out. So then I had to keep searching for another alternative, and I came across these lashes right here. They come in 3 pairs. They do have different sizes. I believe it's 9, 10, and 11 millimeters. Each one of those, they either have the option of 3 layers or 5 layers. I got the longest one, which is 11 millimeters and 5 layers. So I'm wearing it right now with 2 coats of mascara, and you can kind of tell it's not that bold. It's quite still natural. In Korea, they prefer more of a natural look, so even the 5 layers still kind of looks, you know, still looks quite natural. You would have to kind of layer up your mascara. So this is how the lashes look like. It has the V shape that I was talking about and the size written at the top here. It's really easy to grab these lashes because it opens like this. The only problem with this is that this does not have a band at all. They're all single individual lashes. In Korea, they prefer to cut up their lashes into smaller pieces and then apply it because it gives a more natural look, which makes it a little bit tedious to apply it, especially for me because I have a lot of eye fat, so it just kind of like goes in all different kind of directions. Whereas this one, it's a clear band, so it's a lot easier to apply. So here are a few tips that I think would help you apply these lashes. I highly recommend that you use light tweezers. These are the tweezers that I used to use. Maybe I'm just used to it, but you can see how it's really thick and it has like a very hard resistance. After struggling for the longest time, my hands started hurting when I was trying to apply it. And then I switched over to these tweezers right here, which are thinner. They're more lightweight, a lot easier to clamp. There's less resistance. In addition to that, these lashes can be really tricky because they're really thin. So what I like to do is I don't grab it by just one strand. I grab both strands so that I even it out, so that I'm not applying it at different angles. So I clamp both lashes like this, and then I apply the glue and wait a while, and then I apply it on my lashes. This way it helps prevent it from going to different angles, and it kind of levels it out. So once you're done, your eyelashes will look somewhat like this. Kind of reminds me of this germy Barbie-like type of lashes, because Barbie's, if you notice in the Barbie dolls, her lashes are just like are lines that go up. Kind of has that effect. In Korea, there's also some eyelash treatment or extension where they will also create this kind of look. So that's all for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found it helpful. I will see you in my next video.